Welcome to channel Trends Ons once again. Today we will discuss another 10 designs of t-shirts. This is the first design. This quote is declaration quote like that we love because he loved us. These t-shirts can be gifted on occasion. You can give it to daughter. Second design, mother's t-shirts quote. Daughters of a queen. Daughter of a queen. This is the best design forever. Can be gifted by daughter to mother. Third design is daughter's t-shirts quote. This quote can be designed on a daughter t-shirts. Mother of a princess. Very good design gifted by daughter to mother. Daughter's t-shirts quote. Next in another color, it is mother of a princess. Nice t-shirts is this. Fifth design, butterfly t-shirt quote. Never hide your wings. Yeah. The best design is number 6. Daddy daughter t-shirts. Wow, it's look like good. Best friend for life. Now, this is the declaration of pregnancy t-shirt. T-shirt quote, you got this with victory sign. Women's t-shirt quote. This is the design of women's t-shirts. Hope fight Q with heart sign is here. It is a very good design. Trending New Year t-shirt quote. This design can be used on New Year t-shirt quote. Happy New Year with bell sign here. The 10th design is empower quote. Believe in yourself the best. This quote is very empowering. So guys, all we discuss here, all the quotes. Now thank you for watching video. To support us, please like and subscribe our channel and share video. Also write comment. Thank you.